today is the year 2050. So, I am Nurse Grace, a climate health responder assigned in a global oceanic health unit. Every day I work on a front lines of the world reshaped by a climate change. So, it's been almost so many years since I graduated at the University of St. Anthony, and also it's so many years done since I passed the board exam as a nursing.
Rising sea levels. Have displaced millions. Infectious diseases. Spread faster in hotter temperatures. So, our job is to respond fast, smart, and with compassion. Our healthcare provider use AI diagnostic to detect early symptoms of heat stroke in a child from a flooded coastal village. Her smartwatch sends data straight to our health grid. In the afternoon, I coordinated a drone drop of emergency medicine to remote islands. Still recovering from a super typhoon, every minute counts. We also care for emotional wounds. Displacement of disaster take a toll of mental health. I run a virtual support group of climate refugees, sometimes listening to the best medicine. So, being a nurse in 2050 means adapting, leading, and healing. Not just in hospitals, but in every corner of the world. The future is uncertain, but hope is something we still carry, one patient at a time.